Welcome back to day 2, Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Before you import a single clip, you need to understand this one thing: Final Cut Pro's filing system. Get this right, and you'll never have a messy project again. Let's break it down, and everything in Final Cut Pro starts with a library. A library is the main container for an entire video project, like a digital filing cabinet. Let's create one and name it My First Video. Inside a library, you have events. Events are like the drawers in that cabinet. They help you categorize your media. Final Cut Pro automatically creates one with today's date. You can create as many events as you need, one for audio and one for graphics to keep things tidy. Finally, inside an event, you create a project. Project isn't the whole thing, it's just your timeline. It's the folder inside the drawer where you'll actually build your edit. So, to recap, the library holds everything. Events organize your media within the library, and the project is the timeline where you edit. Now that you have a perfectly organized structure, it's time to bring in your clip. In the next video, we'll cover the simple ways to import your media into Final Cut Pro. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 3.